this video. In this video, I will show you how to check if your JD order has been shipped after a successful payment to supplier in JD Shopping app. Let me show you how. First thing first, we'll go ahead and open up your JD Shopping app. After you open up your JD Shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your message icon right here. And it's going to take you right here. So from here, you'll be able to see some of the order that has been shipped by JD supplier in JD Shopping app right here without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Tauba, JD.com, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the special bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using JD Shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. So for you to get to your shipping order, all you have to do is to click on this box icon right here. Go ahead and click on that. Then all order that has been on transit is going to be shown right here, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. Then from here, you can easily track the progress of your order from these sections right here. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about JD Shopping app topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.